Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Wi-Fi network on Asus ZEN WiFi XD4 Plus and show you how to use Asus router application. Let's get started. First of all, let's connect the router to the internet source. In most cases this is a modem, sometimes it's just LAN socket in the wall. So you have two Ethernet ports over here, blue labeled and yellow labeled. And what you need is connect an Ethernet cable to blue labeled port WAN/LAN like this until you hear a click. And the second port you can use to connect the next unit, to connect an access point, connect your computer or gaming console, and so on. This is just LAN output. So the second end of your Ethernet cable you need to connect to LAN output on your modem or to your LAN socket in the wall. By the way, if you have just LAN socket in the wall, it means you have a modem anyway, it's just hidden somewhere in technical room by your ISP. So once connected, you need to power on your device. To do this, use a power adapter from the box. So here is the power socket next to the LAN port over here. Plug in the power adapter and plug in to a power outlet. So now the device is powered on and it's glowing solid green. Now it's blinking. Just wait for a while. Now you need to wait for about 1.5 minutes until it takes solid blue color. So when your device looks like this, it's ready for connection and you can continue on your smartphone to set up Wi-Fi network. The easiest way to set up Wi-Fi network is by Asus. The easiest way to set up Wi-Fi network is to do it in Asus router application. It's available for iOS and Android devices, so just get this application and let's open it for the first time. On the first screen you need to scroll all the way down and check this checkbox at the bottom and hit agree. Then agree on the next screen. Accept this privacy notice, and this is critical to allow to find devices on local networks, so hit allow. Also allow to use your location while using app and hit setup. Then hit Asus ZEN WiFi series and find your device model. XD4 Plus, here it is, so let's tap on that, and you have two options. You can manually connect your smartphone to set up Wi-Fi network, or just enable camera and scan QR code on the bottom. So let's enable camera, allow, then find QR code at the bottom, fit the QR code into this yellow square. If you decide to connect manually, here you can find Wi-Fi network and password, so you need just open Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone and connect manually. But camera scan is more convenient, so let's join Wi-Fi network of your Asus device. Well, once the device is found, hit get started over here. Next, if you see this screen, you need to check the cable connections first. Check if the cables connected good on your router and on your modem. Then check if your modem has the internet access. Maybe you need to restart your modem. Do this and press next. On this screen, just hit next. You don't need to read anything here if everything is fine. If you see retry, just hit retry, don't worry. Okay, if you have some special requirement from your internet provider, check this checkbox and select the requirement. If no, just hit next and finally set up your network. You can change the name. Let's name it AsusNet for this example. Of course, you can give any name to your network and create password. I recommend you a stronger password than this one. And also you can separate 2.4 and 5 GHz networks and set different names and passwords, but I see no reason to do this. I prefer dual band connection. This is the best option for me. So hit next. This is warning about weak password, but we are okay with this for example. Next, you need to set up a local login account to manage your device from web interface, from another smartphone, and so on. So just admin password in other reasons, in other words. Next, confirm your password. Then hit done. Check if passwords are matched. Next, once again, warning about weak password, but it doesn't matter. Of course, in real life, I recommend you stronger passwords, always, just for your safety. If you see that new firmware is available, I recommend you to update it right away, but for this example, let's just save time and hit maybe later. Let's finish setup. So now Asus router application wants to join your new network. So allow this, hit join and wait a bit more. Now it's optimizing your network, whatever it means. Here is your summary, Wi-Fi name and password, username and password. By the way, write it down because this is most important information for you. You need this to log in from another smartphone or from web interface. You can change Wi-Fi password using admin password, but not vice versa. So this is more important. Write this down. Finish. You can cancel notifications, by the way, it's not necessary. Later you can log into your Asus account or create one and enable remote connection to manage your device from anywhere of the world. But for this example, skip this step and I will show you basic features of the application. So here is the home screen of the application and you can see real-time traffic, which is not so important information for most users, but you can tap here on the device icon and see the information about your network. Next, let's go back to the home screen. You can tap on this home icon and see your network configuration. I have just only one device, but as you know, Asus Zen is mesh system, so you can connect more devices into one seamless mesh network and see all devices on this screen. Tap on any device, see the information about this device, tap here, reboot device or restore factory defaults or unlinked device and so on. But in other words, manage your devices. You can tap on Wi-Fi icon as well and tap on the middle of the screen and change your wireless settings like Wi-Fi password, like Wi-Fi network name. Also, you can hide network, disable network, and so on. In other words, wireless settings. If you need more settings, advanced settings, you need to tap on this gear icon and lots of settings over here. But these settings are not the topic of this video. Your system is up and running and I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.